Discover the wonders of underwater exploration with the 5 best underwater drones of the year. From stunning imagery to advanced features, these drones will take you on unforgettable aquatic adventures. Uncover the hidden treasures that lie beneath the surface and embark on a remarkable journey into the depths of our oceans. Get ready to witness a world like never before with these exceptional underwater companions. Number 5. Geneinno Underwater Drone Camera. The Titan boasts 6 thrusters for precise 360 degrees control, perfect for battling strong currents and maneuvering effortlessly. Experience real-time excitement with the Titan's wireless transmitter, streaming your underwater adventures directly to your smart devices. Capture stunning moments with the Titan's 4K UHD camera and 160 degrees wide-angle lens. Your underwater memories will be truly unforgettable. User-friendly? Absolutely. Connect the Titan to its wireless transmitter, link with the Geneinno app, and control it effortlessly from your smart device. Durability meets portability with the Titan. It can withstand 1.5 MPa pressure and comes with a hard-shell suitcase for easy transport. The Geneinno Titan Underwater Drone Camera is your ultimate underwater companion for exploration, inspection, and more. Number 4. Chasing Dory Underwater Drone. Introducing the Chasing Dory Underwater Drone Set, the world's smallest and most portable underwater drone. With its 1080 camera, depth-keeping mode, and easy app control, capturing stunning underwater imagery has never been easier. Share your adventures with one click and enjoy the freedom to explore with family and friends. Complete with a backpack and essential accessories, the Chasing Dory is your perfect companion for diving, fishing, and underwater photography. Trust the original manufacturer for the best quality and support. Dive into the future of underwater exploration today. Number 3. PowerVision Powerray Wizard Underwater Drone. The ultimate companion for underwater exploration. With its 4K HD camera and LED lights, the Powerray captures breathtaking photos and videos of marine life and underwater landscapes. It's easy to pilot and can dive up to 98 feet, perfect for deep water exploration. Share your adventures in real time with its live stream capability and enjoy advanced features like fish finding and VR headset compatibility. This compact and portable drone is your ticket to unforgettable underwater adventures. Number 2. Gladius Mini Underwater Drone. Introducing the Gladius Mini Underwater Drone, a game-changer in marine technology. With 4K UHD underwater photography, game-like controls, adjustable tilt lock, immersive VR, and portability, this drone is your ultimate companion for underwater adventures. Dive into the depths and capture breathtaking moments like never before. Get ready to explore the wonders of the ocean with the Gladius Mini. Number 1. Fifish V-Evo Underwater Robot. Brace yourself for epic footage and unforgettable moments. With its upgraded 4K 60 FPS camera, this drone delivers professional-class shots and incredible smoothness. It's time to take your underwater filming to the next level. Say goodbye to limitations. The Fifish V-Evo offers complete freedom to explore underwater, hover effortlessly, and capture stunning postures. It's like turning your imagination into cinematic reality. Get ready for perfectly focused footage. The AI Vision Lock keeps your subjects in sharp focus, adapting and tracking in real time. Say hello to crystal clear underwater shots. Darkness won't stop you anymore. The Fifish V-Evo's 5,000 ultra-bright lumen LEDs illuminate the deep sea, revealing vibrant colors even in the darkest waters. So, whether you're a filmmaker or an adventurous soul seeking extraordinary underwater experiences, the Fifish V-Evo 4K 60 FPS underwater ROV robot is your ultimate companion. Get ready for jaw-dropping footage and unparalleled exploration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.